I want to show you how I was able to generate over $950 in a single day doing a simple strategies that I'm going to show you in this video. This actually could be your dashboard if only you are willing to apply the same method the same way that I am going to show you in this video. And if you follow everything the way I'm going to show you in this video, believe me, at the end of the day, your dashboard is going to be something just like this or even something more than this. And trust me, you are going to make this money in a single day. Follow everything step by step the way I'm going to show you in this particular video. And the very first thing we need to do is to come over to Google and search for the word go back to school gift card. And on this page, we actually need to download two pictures. Everything is going to make sense in a bit. For the sake of this video, we're going to download this, but on your own case, you can actually download any of these pictures right here. For the sake of this video, we're going to click on this particular image, and first we want to come over to the image to see what is the dimension of the particular picture, and it's 900 by 600 pixel. What we need to do is to come over to Canva, and once from Canva, you can actually create your account. It's for free. You don't actually need to pay anything. Okay, you want to come over to where it says create a design, and you want to hit on that button, and then you're going to have a little window just like this. The next thing you need to do is to come over to where it says customize size, and then you want to hit on that button. You're going to have where you can actually feed out your parameters. What you need to do, return to the image and check what is the dimension again, 900 by 600 pixel, and then you want to return to Canva and you want to write it right here, 900 by 600, and then you're going to have this button right here. You want to go ahead and hit on create new design. They're going to take you to a blank new page. The next thing you need to do is to return to that particular image. You might download it, but you might just drag and drop. That is the way I actually do mine. I always drag and drop it because that is the fast and easy method. You want to drag the image just like this and come over to the tab of the Canva that you open, and then you want to drop it just like this. And the next thing you want to do is to right click on this particular image, and then you want to hit on set image as a background, and then you're going to have the image just like this. And now we still need to return to where we search for go back to school gift card, and we want to find the appropriate picture that is going to be related to what we are going to be promoting, and it's going to be this. You want to hit on that button, or you can actually come over here and download this particular one. Even if you are going to be promoting different offer, you are still going to do the same thing. Just follow this video. Everything is going to make sense in a bit, just like we did before, but this time we don't need to check the dimension. You just need to drag this particular image to the Canva that you actually open like this, and then you want to drop it just like this. And once you drop it like this, the next thing you need to do is just to increase the size like this. Increase the size like this. We just want to cover a little part of this particular image and not so much. You want to increase the size like this, and then also block this page just like this. And here it says a brand new $500 gift card, 1 day free, and many stuff just like this. We just need to have it a little bit like this, and with these two pictures we have created something a little bit reasonable, and you're going to understand why we are doing this in a bit. Like I said, just follow the video. Everything is going to make sense in a bit. And now once we have it like this, you want to come over to where it says download. You want to hit on that button, and you want to come over to where it says download right here. You want to click on that button. Leave all of this tab the way it is, and it must be PNG. Check if it's PNG. If it's not, you're going to change it to be PNG or JPEG. Okay, and now you want to hit on this button that says download. Now it has been downloaded into our computer, into our PC, and once it's downloaded, we want to return to Google and search for the word true sweepstake, and it's going to be the very first link that is going to show up. What we want to do is to go ahead and click on that link, and then we're going to be on this page just like this. What you want to do is to come back to where it says join, and then you want to hit on that button. Come over here and hit on close, and then you're going to have this little dashboard just like this. What you want to do is to create your username. Okay, and once you have a username, you want to put in your email address, create a password. You want to hit on I'm not a robot, and once you done that, you want to come over to where it says create account, and you want to create your account. Just like every other website, they are going to send you an email for verification. If you click on that email, your account is going to be created, and once your account is being created, we need to go over to the next step of this particular video. And for the next step, we need to return to CPA Grip, and here what we need to do is to come back to where it says country, and here I want to hit on something like Canada, and you want to hit on that button Canada, and once you hit on Canada, all offer here are going to be offer from Canada. What we want to do is to choose between this particular one right here or this other one right here that says grab your back to school gift card right now, and they are going to pay us $12.83. What we need to do is to click on the button, and we're going to have a little window just like this. And once you have a window just like this, we want to leave it the way it is like this, and now we want to return to sweepstakes where we actually created our account. And once you come over to your account like this, what you need to do is to come back to where it says submit. You want to hit on that button, and then you're going to have this dashboard just like this where you are going to feed out all your information. The very first thing they're going to ask you is your name. Like they say here, they are going to keep it private. I will just write my name OBJ, and they're going to ask you for your email address, and also they're going to keep your email address private. And here where it says, is this blog a giveaway, you want to click on that button because we're actually doing a giveaway. You want to hit on that button, and here they're going to ask you for the sweepstake title. And for the title, you see that the title starts with win a. We're going to write something like win a back to school gift card, because that is what we're actually promoting. And here they're going to ask you the link to the entry form, and on this tab we're going to paste our offer link. And what you need to do is to return to CPA Grip, and once you return to CPA Grip, you want to come back to where your link is, and you want to hit on copy link. Once you've done that, you want to return to sweepstakes, and here you want to paste your particular link right here, just like this. And they're going to ask you for the price value, and the price value is $500. That's what we're promoting. And they're going to ask you to choose your category, and for the category we're actually promoting gift card. You want to hit on cash and gift card, and they're going to ask you for the end date. The end date is all going to depend on you, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to say 31st of this month. And then they're going to ask you to choose your particular country. And remember, we are promoting Canada offer. I want to come over here and hit on Canada. And once you know that, they're going to ask you exclusions. We don't actually have any exclusion, and you can say it's optional. And for the age limit, I want to come back to where it says 13 plus. And once you've done that, they're going to ask you the entry method. And for the entry method, I want to say sign up form, and I want to also hit on Facebook and Instagram. Once you do it this way, you want to come to the entry limit, and for the entry limit, I'll just go ahead and select daily. And for the company name or website, you can actually write anything. It's going to depend on you. And for me, I will just write something like OBJ Cash Money. And once you done that, they're going to ask you for the price description. And for the description, we want to write something like, get ready to kick off the school year in style with a chance to win our exclusive back to school gift card. As summer fades and the school bell starts ringing, you could be the lucky winner of this amazing gift card. Use it to stock up on everything you need to make this academic season your best one yet. And you're going to say, with this gift card, you will have the freedom to choose from a wide range of products, including trendy backpacks, essential school supplies, fashionable apparel, and so much more. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a teacher, this gift card is your ticket to a successful school year ahead. I always say everybody shouldn't write the same thing, and everybody shouldn't promote the same thing. If you want to promote this same product, since they are going to pay us $12 and something cents, if you want to promote this exact product, your key here to be unique is to come over to Canva and create something unique. That is actually the main reason why we created this particular image at the beginning of this video. This is going to give you your uniqueness. Here's your little chance to be unique, and you want to take the advantage seriously. You must create something very different. And if you come over to where we search for the image, you can see you have different images that you can actually use. So don't just go ahead and use the same image, because at the end of the day, it's going to be like everybody are doing the same thing. Since that offer is going to pay us $12.80, many people might be tempted to post it, but the only thing that is going to give you your uniqueness is with Canva. You're going to create your uniqueness here, okay? And now we're going to return to the sweepstakes, and the next thing they're going to ask us to post our image. And what you need to do is to hit on this plus sign, and then you're going to be on your file just like this. What we need to do is to hit on the particular image that we actually downloaded from Canva, and then you want to hit on open, okay? This is the particular image right here, and then they're going to ask you, where do you hear about us? And I want to go ahead and write something like from OBJ Cash Money YouTube channel, or you can just write Google, okay? Any one of the two is okay. And then you're going to come over to the down of the page and hit on where it says submit sweepstake. But there is a way you can actually take it to the next level. And if you want to take it to the next level, you're going to actually subscribe to their premium traffic boost. That's actually going to depend on your pocket. If you want to do it free, just do it free and let it run on the particular website organically, okay? But like I said, if you want to take it to the next level whereby you have more than 250 referrals with a monthly page view of over 200,000 views, newsletter 25,000 plus, this actually is going to boost your conversion. But if you don't want to pay any of this, just allow it to run organically, and at the end of the day, you're still going to see some results. Like I always say, what you get it free is actually going to be different for what you're paying for. That's just the key. And if by any means you don't want to make money in this way, or you are not so convinced about this method, this video right here that's going to pop up is going to show you a different way and a different strategy that you can actually use to make money online. Click on this video and I will see you there. Cheers. Peace out.